how to unforget and reconnect a Bluetooth device on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have accidentally forgotten a Bluetooth device on your iPhone or are having trouble reconnecting it, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll help you out. Now let's get started. First of all, we need to head over to our settings and go ahead and open the settings app. Once you're in settings, scroll down and select Bluetooth. Here you'll see a list of all the devices you are currently connected to your iPhone. Now let's say you want to forget a device. Just find the device you want to remove, tap on the eye icon next to it and then select Forget this device. Now confirm your choice and the device will be forgotten. Now to reconnect the Bluetooth device, make sure it's turned on and set to discoverable mode. Then go back to Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and make sure Allow New Connections is enabled. Your iPhone will start searching for nearby devices. Once a device appears on the list, just tap on it to initiate the pairing process. You might see a prompt asking you to confirm the pairing. Just click pair and in a few seconds it will be added to your Bluetooth devices. And that's it. You've successfully unforgotten and reconnected your Bluetooth device on your iPhone. Now if you want to change the name of your Bluetooth, then go to the eye icon again and there you'll see the option to change the name. Well, that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a quick like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.